status or whatever? What is it? When you put your picture on Facebook?
The name?
No, the new picture. You know, if I pull up your Facebook, I'm gonna see your picture, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is that picture called?
Profile.
Profile. Yes.
Yeah.
You have to teach your grandma.
Hello, Party Porterhouse fam. So today I'm going to step out of my comfort zone and I'm going to not do smoothies today. I'm going to try some juicing today. Now I do and have, you know, done juicing in the past, not personally, like, you know, my husband will do juicing and then I'll drink some of his, or have a very close friend of family, Pastor McElveen, he'll do juicing and I'll drink some of his. So today I'm going to do the juicing. Now, juicing is different from smoothies, whereas it is more, I guess you would call it more detailed in, you know, the vegetables. It's the actual juice from that vegetable. And so it's actually, or fruit. So it's actually giving you that direct benefit and nourishment that each vegetable, you know, can. Every vegetable has something that it does good for your body, so you're getting it directly, whereas with smoothies you're more like adding combinations and then you're chopping up, so they're kind of the same, but you know, not exactly the same. Now one to me is more pure than the other, so I think the juicing is more pure than the actual smoothie because you're adding a lot of contents into the smoothie. As with the juicing, you're just getting the actual carrot, the juice from the carrot, the juice from the beets, the apple, the ginger, whatever you decide to juice, you're getting that actual nourishment from that actual vegetable or fruit. So enough of this talk. Let's get started. So I was on Pinterest and I did see a lot of different recipes, but I'm just going to do some of the recipes that I like. And I won't even call it a recipe. I just call it combination. I'm just going to combine some of the things that I need, since I'm always looking for things to help with inflammation in the body, because with me personally, I have a lot of, my body is real sensitive to things that cause a lot of inflammation, that causes me to itch inside of my body, and then my skin seems to react like to all of this. It's not only just the pollen that's in the air, but just internal, like certain things that I eat, it just manifests. It's good going down. My goodness, like I'm having a good time eating. Like I have no problem with eating, but the side effects of me eating is at night. Like if I eat something really sweet at night, I'm just itching, can't get good sleep, have to take Benadryl, have to take prescription allergy meds, and you know, that's just not good. So what I need to do is to take something healthy instead of taking all of those prescription meds, which I don't do as I did in the past. And I do notice the results that, you know, my body is kind of adapting to, you know, this healthiness, and it's helping me. I'm doing more of the natural things now, and I do see the benefits. And remember, it's all in your mind. Like, just, you have to think positive. You can't just be like, oh, this is so nasty, this is so gross, I'm not gonna like it. You know, you have to have a positive mind. And let me tell you, there are over 1,000 vegetables, over 1,000 fruit, and there has to be some type of vegetable or fruit that you are going to adapt to and like. So just research it and have fun doing it and find out what works for you. So the first combination I'm going to do is I'm going to do celery. Now, I'm going to use celery because it calms the nerves, it promotes sleep, and it's a diuretic. Plus, celery is good for lowering your blood pressure, which I had issues with. For me, is high blood pressure. So now that I have been doing a lot of healthy things, I'm going to do the celery. And then my other combination, I'm going to use the carrots. And I might just throw in the cucumber too. Now carrots are rich in vitamin. You know, you always heard carrots are good for your eyes. Skin high in carotenoids. I don't know if I said that right. I hope I did. And it lowers the risk of heart disease. So that's the good thing about the carrot. And then the cucumber, it neutralizes acidity, silicon, and sulfur content, promotes hair growth, excellent source of vitamin A and vitamin C, as well as folate and potassium. So let's go on this adventure of juicing, and let's see how this turns out. All right, so I have a variety of different vegetables, and I'm going to start with the carrots, celery, and the cucumber. We're going to see how that goes. We're going to put the cucumbers with the skin on. I'm going to add another carrot. Ooh, I like the color of the carrots. Let's add another carrot. Okay, let me taste this one. Okay, this was all right. I'm not gonna say you're gonna fall in love with it, but it's not bad. So that's the thing. There are no rules to doing juicing. I'm like, Pinterest has like 1,000 juicing recipes, but you can just figure out the combination that's good for you. And just remember, it's something that is good for you. Now, what I've noticed with juicing is it doesn't last that long in the refrigerator. Well, it doesn't taste that great to me after. I know they say it can last at least 3 or 4 days. Some people have told me that. However, I like to drink it right away. I don't think it lasts over a day or two, because you're going to lose some of the, you know, the natural nutrients that are good for you. You're going to lose some of that, because once it hits the air, you know, then it kind of just leaves that juicing. So you want to go ahead and juice and get those things, drink it down like right away. You don't want to like leave it in the refrigerator. Some people do that, but I think the best thing to get the benefit, you just go ahead and drink it. All right, let's move on to the beets. Now, juicing makes you lazy. I'm not gonna say it makes you lazy. I'm just saying, you know, with the blender, you would cut these stems off, but being that we're juicing them, we're just gonna juice the entire thing. All right, so let's try this. Ooh, this is so pretty. Let's see how it tastes. It's really good. All right, so let me give you some words of encouragement. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. So, no, every day is not going to be great. Every day is not going to be perfect, but you must find something good in that day. And just being able to go out and to come back to be surrounded with the love of your family, to be in one piece, and to have your state and sense of mind is awesome. So we have to thank God for that. I'm going to have some special guests come on today. As they say, some special guests come on the show, but technically we're in our home. So we're gonna have some special guests to come in and try the juicing and see what their take is on it.
I wonder what their juice is supposed to
Look like carrot.
What's the benefit of it? Other than my eyes.
I smell celery.
You smell celery?
Mm-hmm.
Smell like cucumber? Celery?
It smells like carrots and celery.
Nice and fresh. I don't even smell that one. It have apples in it.
Ugh.
I'm allergic to the raw apple.
Oh yeah, that is right.
Mm-hmm.
How can you eat it? Well, not raw, but.
Apples?
Mhm.
I don't eat apples raw.
No, I'm saying you can eat it cooked.
Cooked. You can't eat it raw, probably because all the good stuff cooked out of it.
Mm.
My body rejecting all the good stuff it I really need, I guess.
I'm allergic to coconut.
Really? I love coconut.
I used to eat it, but I
I
remember
wonder if I should taste it now or wait.
I'm about to taste it.
See what it tastes. Just sneak one little taste. I kind of like it a little bit.
Tastes like celery.
I can get a strong taste of celery.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I can deal with that.
It's kind of smooth, like, you know.
Just a very little of the natural bitter taste of it.
Mm-hmm. I
What
taste
all is in that?
celery. I taste cucumber and carrot mixed together.
Tasting this make me feel like I possibly can do juicing, tolerate juicing,
Mm-hmm.
with the right stuff and ingredients. Right?
Tastes smooth.
Mm-hmm.
I see majority of it is carrot. Because I can tell.
Surprisingly
Mm-hmm.
pleasant. I didn't know what to expect.
I want to try cucumbers and ranch juicing.
Ranch? Never heard of that one.
Celery, ranch, and cucumbers.
Mm.
And blend it up.
Well, I just like ranch dressing anyway, but I've never heard of it in juicing. I didn't know you could put it in juicing. I guess it's your choice of whatever you want. Huh?
Yeah, it'll probably taste like the regular ranch sauce.
Yeah, I kind of like it.
Mm-hmm. I don't know how to describe it. Just feel like it's going down your throat. Like describe the feeling. It just goes.
Smooth.
Mm.
We'll drink it all before they get
I know. Look at mine.
to their interview.
Mine's way down here. Cause it was right there and I was down here.
Yeah, we're still trying to critique the taste of it.
Mm-hmm. We took more than a sip. But I would try tomatoes. And,
You don't normally like tomatoes?
yeah, I eat tomatoes. No, I want
Eat
to
them
try.
with
I
your juice.
want to try a banana one.
That should be tasty.
Do you eat bananas?
Yes.
Bananas with kiwi.
Mm.
And you can't eat strawberries. I was gonna say
yeah.
bananas and strawberries. Either that or what's another one? Ooh, avocado.
Yeah, you love avocado.
Mm-hmm. Avocado with.
Did you taste that one?
Oh, let me
Did you
taste
try
it. You want to smell it?
No. Apples in it? I don't.
You know that sushi stuff?
Sushi?
The green sushi? That stuff?
Mm-hmm.
That's what it tastes like.
Really?
You know wasabi they put on top of sushi?
Yeah, yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
It looks good, but I refuse to taste it.
It's spicy.
Really? So that would have a kick to it.
Mm-hmm. It's strong. I don't know what's mixed into it.
But I really do like this, and I can only imagine it being real cold. I'd love to have it cold.
I can't describe it to you. This tastes like wasabi. If you ever had that. And it tastes like cinnamon.
Sounds rich.
It's strong.
Flavors.
It's strong. I wonder what made this color. It had to be something else. It looked like, I thought it was grape juice for a minute. It tastes real good. Well, it's alright. Cause
Sweet?
no, it's not sweet. It's just like a spicy drink. With apples. She said this was
I'm
apples?
going to save that little bit in there so when they get back.
Oh.
Yeah, that was good.
So, how did it go?
We
What
tried
time
to
you-
wait on you all before tasting them, then we decided to taste them.
was filming the whole time.
Oh. I didn't know that. I didn't know we was recorded. This one was spicy. What is this made of?
That is ginger. Oh, y'all can
Ginger?
I knew it. I told her it tastes like wasabi, that little thing that you put on sushi.
Okay, so they tried it. These were my special guests. This is my mother-in-law, Miss Mary Nell Fulton. Say hello, mother.
Hello.
And this is my Leo. This is my second born, Miss Tyler Jasmine Elaine Porter.
Hello.
So, do you all think this is doable?
Yes.
It's doable for me because of the
It
health
tastes
benefits of it.
smooth.
A whole lot better than what I expected.
Okay. And you said what?
It tastes smooth.
That has the ginger, beets, and apple. And this has the carrot and celery for lowering the blood pressure, give her good eyes to see all of her grandchildren with. She has a lot of grandchildren.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we need her eyes.
grandchildren. Oh, my beautiful
Total grand monster over here. And then this one needs more energy, so her beets helps with increasing the energy. So hopefully she'll be a little bit
More
more
energized.
peppery to go to school. So, but yes, thank you for stopping by, family. And yes, they'll be back, so I'm gonna have to
And
tell them to come
friends.
back. But thank you, friends, as well, for stopping by. So please like or subscribe and pray for me as we will pray for you. Bye bye.
Amen. Amen.